Let's begin with the verb conjugation for the auxiliary verbs, or in German we call it as Hilfsverben, that is the sein and haben. First of all, the sein verb. It's an irregular verb. Sein means to be. It's just like saying are, am, is in English. So let's learn. If you want to say I am, you need to write the subject as ich and then conjugate the verb sein as bin. Okay, so bin is the conjugation of the verb sein whenever the subject is ich. So I am, ich bin. If you want to say you are, you write du as the subject and then bist. Du bist, you are. If you want to say he is ist the conjugation of the verb sein. Ist means he is. Similarly, she is written as sie ist. It is, es ist. Let's repeat. Ich bin bedeutet I am. Guys, bedeutet meaning. Ich bin bedeutet I am. Du bist bedeutet you are. Ist bedeutet he is. Sie ist bedeutet she is. Es ist bedeutet it is. Let's move further. If you want to say we are, write sind as the verb conjugation. So we are is written as wir sind. Similarly, you all are, ihr seid. They are, sie sind. You formal are, S capital, sie sind. So let's repeat. Wir sind bedeutet we are. Ihr seid bedeutet you all are. Sie sind bedeutet they are. Sie sind bedeutet you formal are. Now often I get questions from my students about how to distinguish between sie, that is they, and sie, which is she, and sie as capital, which is you formal. So guys, the context makes it clear. Remember, these are pronouns. And when do we use pronoun? We use pronoun to refer to a noun which has already been expressed. For example, I say, Anna goes to school. She is a bright student, right? When do I use the pronoun she? When I have already mentioned that Anna goes to school. See, Anna is being referred to by she, right? So that is how the context makes it very clear. You don't need to worry about it. Now, let's try to learn the conjugation of haben. The verb haben means to have. If I want to say I have, I write ich habe. You have, du hast. He has, hat. She has, sie hat. It has, es hat. Let's repeat. Ich habe bedeutet I have. Du hast bedeutet you have. Hat bedeutet he has. Sie hat bedeutet she has. Es hat bedeutet it has. Moving on, if I want to say we have, I just write haben, that is the infinitive form of the verb, as the conjugated verb. So, wir haben. You all have. Ihr habt. They have. Sie haben. You formal have. Sie haben. Let's repeat. Wir haben bedeutet we have. Ihr habt bedeutet you all have. Sie haben bedeutet they have. Sie haben, S capital, bedeutet you formal have. Now that we've learned the verb conjugation for sein and haben, let us try to use them in sentences. First off, Ich bin müde. Here, ich is the subject, hence the conjugation of the sein verb is bin. Ich bin müde. I am tired. Du bist eine Lehrerin. Bist is the sein conjugation when the subject is du. Du bist means you are. Du bist eine Lehrerin. You are a teacher. Ist mein Freund. Is the subject here. That's why the conjugation of sein verb is ist. Ist mein Freund. He is my friend. Wir sind in Deutschland. We are in Germany. Sie sind sehr freundlich. They are very friendly. Now let's learn the usage of the verb haben. Ich habe ein Buch. Habe means to have. Here, ich is the subject and that's why habe. Ich habe ein Buch. I have a book. Du hast Zeit. You have time. Hat eine Schwester. He has a sister. Wir haben viele Hausaufgaben. We have a lot of homework. Hausaufgaben. Aufgaben in general means tasks. Here, Hausaufgaben means homework. Sie haben ein neues Auto. They have a new car.